Esukuru ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College igego kwarigania ase intake ya January eyu ebwata chikosi ao bunabono Agricultural and Environment Studies, Mechanical and Automotive Engineering, Refrigeration and Air Conditioning, Welding and Fabrication na wigo ase ensema ya Building and Civil Engineering nkwegeri bale Plumbing, Masonry, Carpentry and Joinery, Building Technology, Civil Engineering na wigo Water Engineering ase ensema ya Computing and Informatics nkwegeri bale ICT Operator, ICT Technician, Computer Packages, Cyber Security na wigo na Network System Administration ase ensema ya Electrical and Electronic Engineering nkwegeri bale Electrical Installation na wigo Electrical Engineering ase ensema ya Cosmetology nkwegeri bale Hairdressing wigo mbabwate Fashion Design ase Hospitality and Tourism nkwegeri bale Food Production yani cookery na wigo Food and Beverage Production.
Asa Maria Tengorogu James Barari Nyakundi e principal ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College eye gotoka Alimongoni, Kitutu Masaba North Sub-County, Kitutu Masaba Constituency, Nyamira County. Abana baino bali ba college school ya class 8 gose form 4 batagiye universities acha te yababere isiko ekiagera bone gase Kitutu Masaba ntobwate chikose zicheme kono cy'ububundi cyonsi. Abana ngwakana bali kibese ne serikali wetera the government scholarship nkwaye bali chiloni cyo gosoma wetera HELB Higher Education Loans Board ne kibese cyo mwana nkwaye wale kiri kitokoroka out of pocket ekyo mwana gotumia kumenye school golendagera na gwakane se nyomba komenya egento kende abana nkwaye bali chi constituency bursaries and even county government bursaries ekyo applications chirororo n'ababunge bunabono mu bungo Kitutu Masaba constituency bwana honorable Clive Gisairo we are committed sana aso support abana bagocha Kitutu Masaba egende Tanganyika tabiri nga mwana ndo kwense gocha Kitutu Masaba wekagwe bursary in full inta abana baito January intake negendereta abana bali bakoso school January mwakaribishwe ndogenderete na intake na application sinchigenderete
asamange nabo okubatalira ase school yiga kose obakirisi migwetera sikiramba cyabo 0743480999 kose 0782490068.
Wancho muligiria wigiteseni hikega wanchitekia Getembe TV karibu sana na ndina gusugirie andonsi asore maragwa ya bono litukeriga ya Jumamosi ose sabato yechi tariki ya 20 ase mutinyo yo 12 karibu sana sekiunga chinsa ibiri cha bono maragwa ndinde tunyara gusanga asinchira engi kerano kegima na boigo no tokonyara wati aiga ase chinsa mochire cha Facebook na boigo YouTube na Getembe TV korwa Matilda boigo ekaransoke rinde nyara ukomanya asinchira engi kerano kegima. mwancho murigiria gutaka korwa ase kaunti ya Nyamira esegetwo ni gobono yagendereire kubikwa asikira umuiburi iri ukoneke buna chisemi cha bana chanyale kwegwa ribaga ria bosio okegima aiga nigo arenge gukwano ase nigo anyale gukwano chingaki chiga ekirobono amashabiki yechiredio korwa ase kaunti ya Nyamira banyara kusanga na abralia vegetaseni kiga kubomono ase bungeri ya West Mugirango amashabiki ayo nigobono anyalire gotabuna nerebuya abana gusomigwa nabo igokorendwa ase miyiga eyiga na ekero banyara usange kerengereri kyabo na kibaranyale gusirana as umwaka ogocha umurikito fatged gisemba no robotioro senchira ingikirano
abaibori na baigo abareri babana nigo bagendereire gusegetwa igoro yobuya bogosomya umwana
sendike kurusyo botaka nandike kurusyo bokinga somuki oranje nonye naye tigane okore umukonye umugorere uniform umukore umuyire school tagoseka obotaka mburiko gobi na nyumba nchayu
ayaiga nigo akwanirwe ase gikaro ekyo kyabaretamo amashabiki yechiredio korwase ebunge ya West Mugirango abwo baburiwe kubwatia amasomo y'abana babo ase obwange
igo abana b'amashabiki n'abasomeye nasomye abana b'amashabiki amayere bari abana naye bari university igo kisembi wanyanje kisembi kyalage ko beko umwana school wa kurusyo obuliri ya umwana somero nane ko kwani kesogo iyo umwana ya okera umwana ko kwani kesogo nane ko kesogo iyo moti abana nka naye umwana akuri form 4 na nore ko kumene mutayo mari ko I na wa esano soa
korwase oburai bwebunge eyo ekoragwa n'omubunge Stephen Mugaka ensemo yabo nigo bakwanire enjira beroberie gochakwena na chipasari gochasaborokebwa bonzi abwo bagenderete gutuma amaborio abo erio bachie gosirwa
auti mwata wane skuru bagina bagaka mumatenge pasari ndengate kuchirwa mwechoire asikiyake tarehe 3 Disemba nolito igolende nande tukaanza kureceive form tarehe 15 Monday torasike January ikominesa nemo no mwana gochindolio grade 10 aba bakora grade 9 bakona grade 10 form 3 and 4 bagande gochiria ne university ne college chionsi ara tiapate biga uno mweshimwe idare muya ngabana ako baye basari bonsi p igobona mwaburaji basari ebesanero isaine
kokwana ase gikaro ekyo gyakorekana kebirigo ime ye wodi ya Bunyamatuta niga amashabiki abo bare nekerenga kyogo kya kwegendereria buka abanyene ase bachakire kubeka emeroberio kyogo kya kugura ebus omwaka moya utaraera
ale yarabuna tuwakire usieko omwaka na kuigura ji project ekirabe chiko chikogenderera aso omwaka onde nyasago chikotoikiororo omwaka onde omoroberi tuwabekire nsibwo kugure gari iganya saa tusenie
tutaite kugure pass pass yeye mutatu bwatse tinuna abarai baito ntokunyara none counting egeko gere pass yeye tani tutuka turachikonyetumia pass yeye toko chikonyetumia 20p onde bwenzi netoka ole isikoye county ya Nyamira pass yeye bakanyetumia
ekero amashabiki ayaiga bono bagenderete kuburia basirwe erio bachie goikirania endota yabo nigo bairwe boigo omoyo bugutumia chinguru echo bare na chirocho buna ekiombe erio konyora obokonyi kurwase kaunti ya Nyamira wetera ewizara eria yo bonchuriria na cooperatives eyo ekoragwa na Bernard Maina
abanda babwanete gusirwa ende banchiranire obe na barobu basire mpaka bagule pasi yeye echiko bakonya na barobu bakonye nende gento ngusaba aba chimemba cheito genda masinani mbaro bategete koso ebyombebi mu basomi nende ngusaba mu waziri wito trade Nyamira asemuna ya no bwenete goja kufundisa ebyombe munebi bamanya mangana yechi cooperative na chichira abakonye banyore chironi basomi abana bamwabo abana babo kegera chigasi chiabolire chibesa chiabolire mare mutayo nalichira bakonye gesaku kya mambi
ensema yende niga mashabiki abaiga baenekeriwe buna chipara echo konya chisarigete bobe ime ye bunge ya West Mugirango nigo chionzi chabekirwe aso muruberio bugo chakoroisiwa aso mwaka omoya
chipara eno botete bwadi mitinga chipara jerato umuchandake ati bone kamnangwana umuchando ole ngoro kumunjini oli otochandete mushimi wanangangana na ngororo bone kumunjini oro no muyana ine kukamba turtu waya mubite neroro sungwe na mami aya niba ende bara asaba tubanya maya ichirene maya yaga ndo jiro tumurango bare ende bwato muchando bare kuru miruka yaga ndo basoza ne bwato muchando ndoye manete chipare chicho sipichabe kirwa se program bora kuna tobo bwana aba engineer evaluation bakale to ikumo tinyo kabero gatato chipare chicho sijakoreki charabi bora kwanzira lero mukubona mushiro bya mwana ye baranga toroseriana
Kingo reporter Getembe Koroiga Kibirigo ime ye wodi ya Banyamatuta West Mugirange County ya Nyamira Mchefa Tigad Gisemba
Onjo muligire gutigana no roboti rwa Fatgad buna enchire yemo yokugendera kwinyura ubutungi bwa Nyasaye lituko rero nigo bono abana kwaya aho banyara kumirana na gusangirekana ase kanisa yegi Adventista ya Butorio yogotoka ime ya Kitutu Church South na gusanga asinchira ya Matera nekiro bono ikirenga kyarenge ogutumika Matera gose uko sanga asinchira ya Matera ase entunda yomwere kigima yomwaka oyoiga 2025 na boigo nekero bono banyara kuburiwa no murandia na Amatera ndonsi agokorwa ayegenjilisti anyara kuba Matera yokwagacha obukristo asekira oyomo.
Je, our rehearsals, our singing ni nani huwa tunataka kumuona? Mpaka wakati tunafanya practice tunamuona Yesu. Assess. Let us assess our goals. Reassess ourselves. Tuone hata tukitunga wimbo huu utasaidia watu kumuona Yesu. Mimi nimeona mpaka watu wanaimba fitina. Mtu anatunga wimbo akijibu mwingine. Mumeona hayo kanisani? Hata Biblia mtu anaweza somea mtu. Anatafuta tu ile verse yenye inaguza yule. Hiyo ni Yesu tunamuona. Tunafaa tumuone Yesu.
Otori ne kanisa nene asense meyi yabo Kitutu Church. Nikolero gotuwa bwate litukoli nene lyogotera. Litukoli nene lyogotera twaligete chikwa chinyinge ekiacha rero no tegera na buko kuna tigenda gotera ekinde nyaroa kurua kurutabaka nyankongo kurusungaria ne ekinde chinyinge igo bono litukeriga ye sabato koinyuro botongi bwa Nyasaye na Nyasaye akaratonge botongi bwaye akatimukarie kule sabato igo nalitwa rero asoko motogi Nyasaye uyibo botongi turi no mogoko manene asengi nto tikwaya cheito chiata kyonsi litwaligete na kyonsi twaligete mali kurwali kyonsi na otolega iga no nyene director
Mwancho murigireria gotigana nayo nigo bono mawaziri wikiganja ya serikali Moske John Mbade ona nyarire kurwa obosemia gochase abakenya chinga kichiga chiemeyega Yesu guko na boigo mwako moya na kira baganiri banyara gutwara obutoro na boigo emeyega ere yengencho kigima kurinde asense moyende na kira aburirie bali bonse bagutumika chipara kubwa mono abarundia bechigari na boigo chipigipigi nebyoma byonsi banyara kuba maiso ekiro bobugoretia abantu gocha chinga na boigo abande ucha emechemene na boigo asense moya uchumi nigo atebire serikali nechigokora nchirachi gosene chikotema chinchira chonsi erikone kibuna uchumi ensi ya Kenya yanyare kokina huikira ekirengo kiria keganeire.
So fellow Kenyans, as we gather with our families and loved ones during this Christmas season and holidays, we are reminded that the greatest gifts are not material gifts. This is a period of hope, this is a period of compassion, and it is a period of togetherness, coming together. We have faced a lot of challenges in the course of the year, but this reassures us that we are a resilient people, that we are a country which is committed, that from all villages we have been working together as a country, and we have upheld the fabrics, the social fabric of this country. I know, and it is my belief, that when we stand together, when we move forward together, then we will achieve a lot together. And this Christmas holiday is another period of reflection. We need now to step back a bit and ask ourselves, what is it that we were not able to achieve in 2025, which going to 2026 we may achieve in a better way. As we do all this, we must remember that this is also the period where we lose the majority of Kenyans on our roads. I would appeal to all motorists to take care, be careful, drive with caution and care so that we can protect lives. Let's not be exhausted in our driving. Let's make sure that we maintain our sanity during this period. As we move to 2026, it is my hope that it will be a better year for Kenya, even as we move towards 2027 election. From the National Treasury perspective, we will do what it takes to help even now move our economy forward. We have stabilized it. Now what we need to do is just to give it a leap, give it a jump to move to the next level. Thank you very much. I wish you a Merry Christmas and a happy 2026. Thank you.
wanjumurira gutigana nayo umunyabiashara umunene na indo bwateri ungi kiuma ase siasa ya Kenya Jimmy Wanjigi niko bono anyare kumoche serikali yaye umuske William Ruto asoko bage koria gose ase rais William Ruto ko baga koria chira chinyinge kigimo cha sava Kenya ekero asekero echo chitaranyara ko ba chigo ikirana na boigo nigo bono atebire abarai bali angene serikali nigo bono batari gosira umuske William Ruto kebirengererio na boigo ko na aba Kenya ase amatukari busyo mbaigwira maiso bono mbachikorora na boigo mbabeka barai bali para baronge ase birugo au byobacholi.
That's one thing. Just one. There are people who are going around this country talking all sorts of things. I want to ask my president, because he's our president. And he did a very good job. Let's give him a clap. He contributed a lot of money for this cathedral. He has started an agenda which is very good. He has brought what is called agenda politics. Agenda politics. Yani, the politics of the issues of each and every one of us. Na anasema, in the future, tutaona first world. Sindio? And those are good dreams. In the future, tutaona Singapore. Very good dreams. The other day, alisema, kuna wengine hata barabara zao kwa kwenda nyumbani, angalia kwa internet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Today, when I was coming here, when I was Googling all these numbers, Nika Google the promises, and Deputy Governor, you know you are part of that government. Nika Google the promises ya Kenya Kwanza government in 2022. There are 259. Now, if you Google, you'll find a site called Mzalendo Tracker. 259. Of those promises, only 19 have been done. Wanasema that is an equivalent of 7%. Mmeshika hiyo? Now governor, deputy governor, kwa sababu wewe hiyo ni serikali yenu. You have 598 days left to the general election of 2027. Before you start telling us mambo ya Singapore, na sijui first world. Simuanushe hii kitu from 7% even to 20%, then you start telling us about another future. Mukamilishe kazi. How can you be at 7% with 600 or so days left? That is a shame. That is a shame. Let us deal with reality. This time, Kenyans are not going to joke. Na watacheza na mtu hapa. We want deliverables. We don't want ndomo.
Wancho murigerera ngosaba kogeno mutumukomo keigo na boigo turagenda ase chituka ke nande ikiunga kegendere tutopasa goska kulendegendera ukibwate chinsemo cha Facebook na boigo YouTube na Getembe TV.
Esukuru ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College igego kwarigania ase intake ya January eyu ebwata chikosi ao bunabono Agricultural and Environment Studies, Mechanical and Automotive Engineering, Refrigeration and Air Conditioning, Welding and Fabrication na wigo ase ensema ya Building and Civil Engineering ngwegeli bale Plumbing, Masonry, Carpentry and Joinery, Building Technology, Civil Engineering na we go Water Engineering. Ase ensema ya Computing and Informatics ngwegeli bale ICT Operator, ICT Technician, Computer Packages, Cyber Security na we go na Network System Administration. Ase ensema ya Electrical and Electronic Engineering ngwegeli bale Electrical Installation na we go Electrical Engineering. Ase ensema ya Cosmetology ngwegeli bale Hairdressing we go mbabwate Fashion Design. Ase Hospitality and Tourism ngwegeli bale Food Production yani cookery na wigo Food and Beverage Production.
Asa Maria Tengorogu James Barari Nyakundi principal ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College eyego toka Alimongoni, Kitutu Masaba North Sub-County, Kitutu Masaba Constituency, Nyamira County. Abana baino bali ba college school cha class 8 gose form 4 batagiye universities acha teyo babere isiko ekiagara woniga ase Kitutu Masaba ntobwate chikose zicheme kono cy'ububundi cyonsi. Abana ngwakana bali kibese ne serikali wetera the government scholarship nkwaye go bali chiloni cyogo soma wetera help higher education loans board ne kibese cy'umwana nkwaye wale kiri tutokoroka out of pocket ecy'umwana gotumia ko menye school urendagera na gwakane se nyomba komenya. Egento kende abana nkwaye go bali chi constituency bursaries and even county government bursaries. Echio applications chirororo naba bunge unabono mu bungo Kitutu Masaba constituency bwana honorable Clive Gisairo we are committed sana aso go support abana bagocha Kitutu Masaba. Egende Tanganyika tabiringa mwana ndo gwense gocha Kitutu Masaba go ikagwe bursary in full inta abana baito January ni tekinega ndereta abana bali bako school January mwakaribishwe ndogenderete na intake na application tinchigenderete
asamange nabo okubatalira ase skuri yiga kose obakirisi migwitara sinamba cyabo 0743480999 kose 0782490068.
Hazina Siri Event Services ne company ya Chirinkuma asogo kwa obokoreri ase chinse mobuna corporate event chiroadshow chinyange amatanga chianniversary na yenda mangamna mono photography videography live stream ne coverage na yende amange kurubare obokoreri ase chi tent ebirogo decoration lighting chi carpet na sound batarere ase Koroba ya Ouru Towers somo chobosungu angena AM Taylor samange ba kresimia number 0721217817 Hazina Siri Events. This is a surety.
School director, teachers, parents, and my fellow learners, good afternoon.
Je, unatafuta shule bora itakayomjenga mtoto wako kitaaluma na kimaadili? Karibu Prince Shiner's Royal Academy, shule inayotoa elimu bora na nafuu kuanzia playgroup hadi grade 5 na ni fully CBC compliant. Katika Prince Royal Shiner's Academy tunajivunia madarasa ya kisasa na yaliyo na vifaa vya kutosha, walimu wenye ujuzi na waliothibitishwa na Wizara ya Elimu, huduma ya usafiri ya kuaminika kuhakikisha usalama na faraja ya mtoto wako, pamoja na ukuaji wa vipaji na talanta za wanafunzi. Mahojiano na udahili wa mwezi wa Januari unaendelea sasa. Tupate katika Jogoo, Stage Miwa, kando ya barabara kuu ya Kisii Nyamira. Kwa maelezo zaidi, piga simu 0711209846 au 0751190580.
I'm Givina Rogers, Madam Director Prince Shiner's Royal Academy. Wazazi wale wametupatia watoto kwa hii shule yetu ya Prince Shiner's Royal Academy, na washukuru sana. Na wala mjaleta watoto wenu Prince Shiner's, pia ninawakaribisha tuletee watoto Prince Shiner's. Na kwa sasa interviews na admissions from playgroup up to grade 5 zinaendelea from Monday to Friday 8 AM to 4 PM. Nafasi zimebaki ni chache, harakisha uandikishe mtoto wako shule nzuri ya Prince Shiner's ili mtoto wako ashine. Welcome, we shine together. Thank you.
Prince Royal Shiner's Academy. Education is key.
Karibu sana na inde mwanjo murire kiratogendete ene kiunga chinsevere chabono Maragoba na umugavana wa county ya Machakos Omoske wa Vinya Ndeti ndigobono agenderire kumwakira ekuko muraibu kiama kia Wiper Moske Kalonzo Musyoka na ikira oboigo anyarire kubora buna abarai korwa chinse muchiri cha ukambani bali bakore igasi bakore mirimo ase serikali Omoske William Ruto tibari konyara kuira ebiriro bye chinse mecho asenchira endonge kiagera nigo batamanyiti andake mechando abamenyi ba ukambani bagwetera naboigo nechinga kiechocho nigo bono anyarire kubora buna uburayi obuya mboganire na kubwa mono bali bamonchukanaine murayi bwense Moske William Ruto mbabonete kusanga ebirengerero asinchira yogotancherere gusasinchira yogokonya abakenya korwa chinsemo chonse yaiga niga yakwana korwa se chinsemo cha Mlolongo yogotoka me county yo akora ya Machakos.
Wiper! Tumshike His Excellency Dr. Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka mkono. Na mimi nimwambie hakuna kunyamaza, saa ingine ni jibu. Hata kunyamaza ni nini? Hata kunyamaza ni nini? Ni jibu. Kuna wale, mimi najua wale, na unajua number 1, wacha niwaambie siri sasa. Mimi na Ruto tulikuwa attend parliament. Yeye alikuwa Minister wa Agriculture, mimi nilikuwa Assistant Minister wa Youth Affairs and Sports. Amepata wakamba wengine hapa, kazi yao ni kwenda kumdanganya, kumwambia zile vitu, za kuja kuharibia wakamba wale wengine ground. Hata ile vitu anamwambia president, anasema maneno ya ukambani ni ya kumfanya hata president aonekane ni kama ajui ni nini anasema. Wacha nikwambia Your Excellency, mwenyaka alikuwa anasikizwa ukambani ama hakuwa anasikizwa? Hao wengine wanasikizwa? Wanasikizwa? Anyway, ole wao. Lakini president ukiwapatia vitu pima, kwa sababu wao wanakula, wanajua matumbo yao. Pesa yako tu wanatumia bure. Wacha kuwapatia pesa. Wanakudanganya kwa sababu hapa ukambani ni lock. Ukambani ni kwa Kalonzo. Si ndio? Na Mheshimiwa Rais kwa heshima tu, Mheshimiwa Rais kwa heshima, kama unataka kuingia ukambani, tafuta kinara wetu His Excellency Dr. Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka. Lakini na yeye ameamua kuwa rais wa 6 wa Kenya. Si ndio? Yeye ameamua kuwa nini? Kalonzo na 6
Mwanzo mulirere na korwa asorobungu rwa Western Kenya igati yabamenyi be bunge ya Lugari yo gutoka me county ya Kakamega nigobono banyare gusabuna ekero omujumbe obomokoro Moske Cyrus Jirongo arachie kwendiwa osekero emeroberio egenderete otorero ubonyare kwenekiwa nigo baukona korwa bunge ya Lugari nigo batebire Moske Jirongo niganjito mulembe na boigo arengo motorero hasego abanasiasa tibacha gutumeka chinsemecho osembacha gutumeka emeroberio yo yaye yokoenigwa buna enchira kusebuna ase yowakira siasa nekro basabire boigo amaskani anyare kwenekiwa ase chinga kechu.
Naamini kwamba rais wetu hivi karibuni anakuja kulia pamoja nasi kwa sababu ya mwenda zake kiongozi wetu Cyrus Jirongo. Naamini kwamba ni kiongozi ambaye alipenda amani. Zaidi ya yote tunaomba viongozi ambao watakuja mahali pale, tunaomba amani na utulivu.
Nataka niambie viongozi ambao watakuja kwa hiyo mazishi ya Mheshimiwa Cyrus Jirongo. Mheshimiwa Jirongo hakuwa mheshimiwa furugu. Lakini sisi ambao tumekuwa hapa siku ya leo tumehusunika, na kwa sababu Mheshimiwa Rais anakuja kulia na sisi. Mimi nataka niambie wale viongozi ambao watakuja hapo. Wewe kiongozi wa one term. Wewe kiongozi wa one term. Is either usikuje ukae kwako nyumbani. Kwa sababu mambo ya one term kwa mazishi ya Cyrus Jirongo hatumo ndani. Sisi tunakaribisha Mheshimiwa Rais wetu kuja na nguvu, tunakukaribisha ujisikie uko sawa sawa. Hata bila hiyo askari wako, sisi tumekuwa askari wako wa kutosha, si ndio?
Kwa hiyo sisi tunaunga mkono serikali na yale yote na mikakati ambayo wameweka pamoja kuhakikisha kwamba kifo cha Mheshimiwa Jirongo hakitiwi siasa. Serikali ifanye uchunguzi na sisi kama Wanalugari tunangojea matokeo ya uchunguzi wa serikali.
Matanga mazuri, watu wasikuje hapa kutuletea aibu. Sisi watu tutaki watu wa matusi wakuje hapa kufanya sisi wakati tunaomboleza na wao wafanye kiwanja ya siasa. Tunataka rais wetu William Samoei Ruto aje aomboleze na sisi na ashikilie familia ya Cyrus Jirongo.
Sisi tunakumbuka Jirongo. Jirongo hakuna yule angepata na ako na kitu na kuachi. Alikuwa mkarimu sana. Na vile ametuacha, alituacha na neno ya kwamba Waluya tukuje pamoja. Mkiangalia mnaona Wakikuyu wako pamoja, Wajaluo wako pamoja, Wakalenjin wako pamoja. Kwa hivyo sisi Waluya tutembelee pamoja.
Kwa hivyo mimi mwenyewe nitaona kwamba Waluya wote wako pamoja, waongee na William Ruto, tuingie mlango wa
Mwancho muligereria kubwatakana no comment kana kumibasokano asichi para chinyinge aigasense ya Kenya anamono mutinyo iga oikomana kabere nikobono abobisa kurase kiombekere kia NTSA naboigo abobisa abali ba traffic bono banyare ko so asichi para asichinse mo oi mese ya Kenya nakobeka amawa ekero obagendete gukora oboringoria asichi gali chiri chigweta para naboigo abantere babonsi osabarundi abali babwate chigari nigo koseba kona kurase chinse mo chiri cha Limuru se para yokoro Nairobi gocha Nakuru nigo batebire chipara chonsi nchinyare gutwara obobisabo elio kwene kibuna chigali chigweta para njikiranete naboigo abantere babonsi mbabwata masakaraganire naboigo tibali gutumeka nonye binyowa eliko kyanya emebasokano ase chipara ase meyega eyega.
The Director of Road Safety at the National Transport and Safety Authority. This is a festive season, and during this time we expect heightened travel. Many people will be traveling, going to different destinations, and we as government, many government agencies, the National Transport and Safety Authority, the National Police Service, we have the judiciary, and many other stakeholders are working together in a multi-agency approach to ensure that we promote safe passage of people to different destinations. Our main aim this time is to see to it that we minimize as much as possible road traffic crashes. We are looking at driver compliance, we are looking at SACCO compliance, and we are looking at even conductor compliance. We want to urge all speed limiter vendors to make sure that they comply with the law. Their responsibility is to ensure that the speed limiters are functioning.
Makosa ambaye yamenaswa tayari hapa 27 tunaendelea na apili yetu kwa wananchi ya kwamba waweze kushirikiana na sisi, waweze kupiga ripoti kwa polisi. Tunaangalia mambo za ulevi ya madereva, pia tuko concerned sana na overspeeding kwa hii barabara ambayo imesababisha maisha ya kupotea.
We are well equipped and of course we use them randomly in areas that we see as hotspots and motorists are likely to be found while practicing drunken driving.
Wikirawo mwancho murigirira no ngukorera ikionga chinsa ibere chabono maragoba kira chabutukire chitageka 33 ase chinsa igoro ya chinsa ibere kolene biamona sana ikiagira ugendete kubo mwigeno umurigiriria bwigitasini kiga na inyora botambe getembe television ase amatuka iga niga egenderete gukuganiria esuku kwingia na bwigo bonsi gosenokugane weto na bwigo gusaba weto nga tororane nande goika ase umwaka ugocha kurenda saboni gakendera kutwara amarigania maya yesu gukuna boy gotwara e weekend ere engia kurende tomerane ase kionga chinsa inyecharero murako banguru ko Matilda Obaigo
Pagaka ninjo ninjo etembe ninjo dorome mangana man pagina ninjo
ine kebenki abanyene tatonda kebe nki abanyene ose mutara mangana yar kuru meri mayo amangana kuru esa baba mitaba igaba baba itaba abakoroti abaito bara ari ba mitwa ari kabanene ba tunuro gorali atemo bate bi kumonta bano mobe ngobono goja katebya omugusi intumu amugusi wol mwane getinge eno to tebinga ose mokaba no itoka simbarati no mobe oyo pamojole ngo se matia no mobe so oyo muntu tali yole mobe kogera kebe nkiabanye oyo mobe onero yoito oyo mobe mukona de no mobe mware kyaro mwako yole ko moinari nga omobo mobe ko ino mobe omobe no yo kebe nkiabanye ne datondana umwana uyo bandoro janga no mobe mwana kabo mobe no yo atabe ate no mobe mwachikorusio no bano twamurusi yo kabere mwamurusi kuche mwamurusi kebe kya aulinale na banyene ke na umurusi atebete
Pagaka ninjo etembe ninjo dorome mangana man pagina ninjo
Esukuru ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College igego kwarigania ase intake ya January eyu ebwata chikosi ao bunabono Agricultural and Environment Studies, Mechanical and Automotive Engineering, Refrigeration and Air Conditioning, Welding and Fabrication na wigo ase ensema ya Building and Civil Engineering nkwegeli bale Plumbing, Masonry, Carpentry and Joinery, Building Technology, civil engineering na wigo water engineering. Ase ensema ya computing and informatics nkwigedi bali ICT operator, ICT technician, computer packages, cyber security na wigo na network system administration. Ase ensema ya electrical and electronic engineering nkwigedi bali electrical installation na wigo electrical engineering. Ase ensema ya cosmetology nkwigedi bali hairdressing wigo mbabwate fashion design. Ase hospitality and tourism nkwigedi bali food production yani cookery na wigo food and beverage production.
Asa Marieta Ngorogu James Barari Nyakundi principal ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College kutoka Alimongoni, Kitutu Masaba North Sub-County, Kitutu Masaba Constituency, Nyamira County. Abana baino bali ba college school ya class 8 wose form 4 batagiye universities acha teyo babere isko ekiagera bone gase Kitutu Masaba ntobwate chikose zicheme kono cy'ububundi cyonsi. Abana ngwakana bali kibese ne serikali wetera the government scholarship nkwaye bali chiloni cyogo soma wetera help higher education loans board ne kibese cy'umwana nkwaye wale kiri kitokoroka out of pocket ecy'umwana gotumia kumenye school uburendagera na gwakane se nyomba komenya egento kende abana nkwaye bali chi constituency bursaries and even county government bursaries ekyo applications chirororo n'ababunge unabono mu bungo Kitutu Masaba constituency bwana honorable Clive Gisairo we are committed sana aso support abana bagocha Kitutu Masaba egende Tanganyika tabiri nga mwana ndo kwense gocha Kitutu Masaba wekagwe bursary in full inta abana baito January intake nagendereta abana bali bakoze school January mwakaribishwe ndogendereta na intake na application sinchigendereta
asamange nabo okubatalira ase skuli yiga kusi obakirisi migwitara sikilamba kyabo 0743480999 kusi 0782490068